Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have LSE installed and ready. Now start creating a link. Open the folder that will hold the link and right-click to open the LSE context menu. Choose a link type, symbolic link for cross-volume flexibility, junction for folders, or hard link for files when you need identical nodes. Click Pick Link Source on the item you want to reference, then return to the destination folder and use Drop as to select the final link behavior. This gets your first link created. Once you pick the source, fine-tune how the link behaves. Open LSE options to set relative versus absolute paths. Relative paths make copies portable, while absolute paths lock to full locations. If working on the same volume, choose a hard link to share data and permissions. Choose junctions for directory trees. Use overwrite and attribute copying flags when replacing existing items. Finally, test the link by opening or editing the target to confirm it points exactly where you intended. To finish, validate each link. Right-click and view LSE overlays or properties to confirm target and type. If operations fail, remember user account control may block symlink creation. Run Explorer Elevated or enable developer mode to relax that restriction. For broken links, undo the link, then recreate using the correct relative or absolute path and check permissions on the target. If a hard link disappeared, ensure you didn't delete the underlying file. One quick troubleshooting tip: use LSE's Pick Link Source again to rebind any incorrect link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.